Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Smartsheet sheets using revision history, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Smartsheet sheets using revision history, first, log in to your Smartsheet account. Next, navigate to the sheet you want to restore. Once you have the sheet open, locate the history option in the toolbar. Click on the history option to view the revision history. You will see a timeline displaying the different versions of the sheet. Select the version you wish to restore by clicking on it. After selecting the desired version, review the changes made in that revision. If you're satisfied with the selected version, look for the Restore button. Click the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to restore the selected version. Confirm your choice to proceed with the restoration. The sheet will now revert to the version you selected. Take a moment to review the restored sheet to ensure everything is as you expect. If needed, you can repeat these steps to explore other versions. Remember that restored sheets will overwrite the current version. It's important to double-check your work to avoid any accidental data loss. Now your Smartsheet has been successfully restored using revision history. You can continue working with your restored version or make further changes as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.